Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna analyze the market for tomorrow's price action. In my opinion, what's gonna happen, what can happen, what are the scenarios for tomorrow. I'll be talk about these specific kind of topics. So let's dive in. First of all, I want to start with weekly because that's my highest time frame. Also, we have 1 month. Let's look at this on 1 month. We just swept this engulfing candle size, so actually that is no confluence for me to say, oh, we just swept candle high. We can go lower because we didn't close the candle. Last candle didn't close, so I'm not sure about whether it's gonna be a CRT or not. You know what a CRT is basically. If we sweep this engulfing candle high and close below this candle high, wicks high, that means CRT, and we must make a retracement back to this candle's equilibrium to this level. But right now is nothing. We have 23 more days to candle close, so I'm not looking into this time frame. Let's dive into weekly. When we look at the weekly, um, on weekly, actually, we just have this weekly bullish fair value gap, but we didn't rebalance into it. There is no confluence for me to say right now we can rebalance back to it, but we have a bullish fair value gap. If we have a bearish, like if higher time frame bullish PD areas got broken through, we can say, yeah, we have a bullish imbalance on a daily bullish, because bullish PD arrays are getting disrespected on the lower time frames like daily 4 hour. We can say, yeah, this can be drawn liquidity, but right now we have no confluence, so I'm not looking into this weekly fair value gap as a target. But yeah, we just swept this candle high also on weekly, but right now there's no confluence. We didn't close the weekly candle, so I'm not specifically saying, yeah, we're dumping or something else. I need more confluence for that. When I look this on daily chart, when we look at the daily chart, as we can see, market made bullish movement, retraced back to these inefficiencies, As you can see, we have a bullish fair value gap and we have a bullish volume imbalance here. Market tested this level, the levels. Market tested the levels, and then moved much higher. And we swept the buy side. After we swept buy side, we created an imbalance with an inefficiency. As you can see, market goes lower with that candle, and then sweep that candle low. After we sweep the candle low, market moves higher, and we create an imbalance because of volatility, and that means fair value gap. After that fair value gap got created, market make a rebalance into it. We test this fair value gap and we closed inside of it. So that means we are respecting bullish PDA, and that means we are leading more bullish. We are respected. As you can see, when I zoom more, we tested for one time, another time. I'm not saying we tested it, but yeah, we kind of tested it. We tried it, and we moved higher and closed here. Tested more higher and closed here. So this candle closed here. That means we respected this fair value gap again. And another candle, another day, market open here, came lower, and actually open here, open, high, low, and close. Right? Market tested this fair value gap for third time and closed here. So that means we respected this imbalance for 3 times. And that means bullish PDA rate on daily time frame are still respecting, right? It is still respecting. So I'm more leading bullish side. Okay? And when we look this on the ES, on daily, there is no imbalance. We just swept the buy side, and actually we have a daily volume imbalance here. We have this daily volume. We made a down movement. This box is for our bullish fair value gap, so don't mind it. We moved lower and we closed inside it. So ES respects bullish volume imbalances, and we respected it for another time, another day. As you can see, we're not closed yet, but as you can see, we moved lower and we closed inside it. We made a bullish moment to inside of it. So that means on ES also we're respecting bullish PDA, which is volume imbalance. So we can say both pairs are respecting bullish PDAs. So I'm not actually looking volume imbalances as a main confluence, but right now we're respecting it. So this is a confluence, but mainly I'm looking into fair value gaps. What's being respected, what's being disrespected. I'm looking more fair value gaps. On 4-hour time frame, when we look down, when we go down, on daily, as you can see, market moves higher, moves lower. On ES, we don't sweep this low, so we made a SMT. After this SMT, market moves higher. We made another bearish moment, little bit of retracement, little bit of bullish moment, and then after we sweep this high, we dump. And on ES, as you can see, we sweep this low, but on NQ, we don't sweep this low, and we create a bullish SMT. And after this SMT, market makes a bullish moment. As you can see, 2 candles expands to bullish side. We make a bullish movement. We made a bullish movement and break this fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap got broken, and that means bearish PDA rays are not respecting right now. But on the daily, bullish PDA rays are still respecting. Bullish fair value gap is respecting on ES and NQ, but on NQ, on 1-hour time frame, we're breaking this fair value gap. So that means bearish PDA rays are disrespecting and bullish PDA rays are respecting. So that means order flow is more bullish, and that means just by looking at this chart, that means we are more bullish. Actually, I am more bullish. I look more bullish. So this is my opinion. This is not a financial advice. I'm just saying my opinion. That's it. On 1 hour, fair value gap, we swept buy side, and also just because of we swept this buy side, I'm not saying, oh, we swept buy side, that means we're bearish, because when we sweep buy side, we make a bearish movement. As you can see, guys, when we sweep this buy side, bearish movement. When we sweep this side, yeah, bearish movement. Yeah, we make a bearish movement, but we still on daily time frame still respecting this daily fair value gap. So just this is because this is the reason why we're pumping after this bearish movement. You got it? Yes, we just swept buy side. Yeah, we swept buy side. But as long as we respect bullish fair value gaps, that means we are respecting bullish PDA rays still. Still respecting bullish PDA rays. So I'm not saying after we sweep this buy side liquidity, we're dumping because we switched outside. Some of you guys I know, yo, we swept buy side, 2022 model, let's short this. But not. You're doing it wrong. What I wait is a little bit of retracement, to this imbalances. We have this imbalance and this imbalance. I don't know which one gonna hold. We will see it, but it actually all depends on overnight session. It all depends on overnight session. So go on 1 hour. Nothing here. We just have a SMT. Looks like yes. Sweep this. Actually NQ. If I'm being honest with you, yeah. Looks like little sweep here, and we make SMT and a change in the state. 1 hour. On 1 hour we have a change in the state. Also, this is our change in the state on NQ. I'm sorry, on ES. ST 2 to 2.5 is hit, but I don't think we're done. As long as we respect bullish PD race, we can be more bullish. We can be still bullish. I'm sorry, but what can happen is maybe this. Maybe this. I don't know. Everything can happen. Market pump higher. Market can dump. So everything can happen. It all depends on overnight session. We don't know what's gonna happen. We will see it. We just swept the SPY side. After this fair wall gap got broken through, we just swept the SPY side. On 15 minute, we're sweeping one more inside, one more internal range, internal liquidity on ES. ES made an equal high. We don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, and Q swept one more internal, but right now nothing is clear. We just swept buy side. We don't know what's gonna happen, so it all depends on overnight session, in my opinion. There can be a lot of specific scenarios, but right now there is nothing. I can give you guys 50 times of scenarios, 50 different scenarios about what's gonna happen, but we don't know it. We just can't say something, but we cannot be really significant about it, really absolute about it. It all depends on what's going to happen on overnight session. These are all my opinions, but yeah, we'll see it. We'll see it. Right now is nothing. Right now is done. I realized it. We didn't touch on lower time frame, so let's talk about it. 30 minutes. When we go on 30 minutes, looks like we have nothing. We have this 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame for wall gap. And when we looked on 15 minutes on the lower time frame, when we look at the internal model, we have this bullish range. And we never made a retracement back to equilibrium. We don't have to make a retracement back to equilibrium, this price range equilibrium, but we know that there is 4 reasons why market move: rebalance the equilibrium, rebalance inefficiency, hunt liquidity, and generate liquidity. And we know that in order to make much more higher movement, we have to rebalance. We have to retrace back. We have to pull back to at least back to equilibrium of this price range. So, and we have a sell side, and we have a 15-minute bullish fair wall gap that never met before. So in the best case scenario, in my opinion, price comes down, sweep this low, tries equilibrium, and then maybe a model. And it all depends on the price action. We can also break this fair wall gap and go lower. It can happen. It all depends on what's happened, what we have in in front of our faces. So we're kinda inside of this range. We don't know what's gonna happen. That's it. Just wait, and we will wait and see what will happen. But right now is nothing. Right now is nothing. It all depends on overnight session, in my opinion. We can, like I said, because we have to make a retracement at least back to this range equilibrium, we can retrace and we can sweep the sell side. We're generating sell side here. We have a fair value up. Yes, we can retrace. This is a scenario, but this is not. We're not sure about it. We're not sure about it. But when we go lower time frame, like 1 minute, actually price is making something right now. But whatever, I don't care it. Yeah, we have some like bullish farewell gaps here. Yeah, we have a bullish farewell gap. As long as we break through these farewell gaps, we can go lower. Like right now, market makes something, but I don't care. I don't care because I don't care PM session. So if you found value in this video, you can like, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this one. See you on next one.